Many developers tend to walk the same path in life. They start out naive and enthusiastic, learning relational databases like SQLite in college or at a bootcamp. Then they learn about all these fancy, ultra-fast, web-scale, horizontal sharding, schemaless, futuristic NoSQL databases that power billion-dollar businesses at scale. Then finally, after years of premature optimization and denial, they realize that SQL was probably the best choice all along. Databases like Postgres and MySQL are proven workhorses that are flexible and scalable enough to meet the needs of the vast majority of apps out there. But one does not just write raw squeal code. If you raw dog it, you leave your app vulnerable to digitally transmitted diseases like SQL injection. That's why sane people use libraries and ORMs to connect to the database, handle security, model relationships, deal with migrations, and most importantly, get your IDE to give you some of that sweet IntelliSense so you don't screw things up this time. In today's video, we'll look at 8 different ways to use a SQL database in a backend JavaScript runtime like Node or Deno, and in frameworks like Next.js and SvelteKit. As you know by now, everything in software development has its trade-offs, so we'll look at the pros and cons of each approach. To compare these tools, I built a simple application with all 8 of them that can query a list of tweets owned by a user from the database, then run an insert operation to add a new row to the tweets table. I'm using Postgres hosted by